ISO/IEC 20000 Part 1 2018 Information Technology Service Management System ITSMS Consultancy, Implementation, Training and Certification by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello and welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Are you an IT service provider, software company, managed service provider, cloud service provider, data center operator, telecom company, fintech organization, or an enterprise looking to improve the quality and efficiency of your IT services? If yes, then this video is for you. Today we will discuss ISO/IEC 20001 Part 1 2018, the internationally recognized standard for Information Technology Service Management Systems, ITSMS. We will explain its benefits, implementation process, certification requirements, and how URGS can help your organization through consultancy, implementation, training, internal audits, and certification support. What is ISO/IEC 20001? ISO/IEC 20001 is the international standard for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an information technology service management system. The standard enables organizations to deliver consistent, reliable, customer-focused IT services while meeting business objectives. It is applicable to organizations of all sizes, including IT companies, software development organizations, cloud service providers, managed service providers, telecom companies, data centers, government organizations, banks, healthcare, educational institutions. It provides a structured framework for managing IT services effectively. Why is IT service management important? Today's organizations depend on reliable IT services. Customers expect high availability, fast incident resolution, reliable service delivery, data protection, business continuity, continuous improvement. Without an effective service management system, organizations face frequent service interruptions, customer complaints, increased operational costs, poor service quality, lack of accountability. ISO/IEC 20000 Part 1 helps overcome these challenges. Now, key requirements of ISO/IEC 20001. The standard focuses on establishing an effective service management system through several important requirements. These include leadership and commitment, service management policy, risk and opportunity management, resource management, service planning, service design, service transition, service delivery, incident management, problem management, change management, configuration management, service level management, supplier management, performance evaluation, internal audits, management review, control improvement. These processes help organizations deliver reliable IT services consistently. Now, benefits of ISO/IEC 20000 Part 1 certification. Organizations implementing ISO/IEC 20001 Part 1 experience numerous advantages. These include improved customer satisfaction, better service quality, standardized IT processes, reduced service disruptions, faster incident response, improved operational efficiency, better risk management, strong governance, increased customer confidence, competitive business advantage. International recognition. Certification demonstrates an organization's commitment to delivering world-class IT services. Implementation process. Successful implementation follows a structured approach. Step 1, gap assessment. Current practices are compared against ISO/IEC 20000 Part 1 requirements. Step 2, planning. Implementation objectives, responsibilities and timelines are established. Step 3, documentation, development of policies, procedures, work instructions, service catalogs, service level agreements, risk registers, operational records. Step 4, implementation. Processes are deployed throughout the organization. Employees receive awareness and operational training. Step 5, internal audit. The system is evaluated to ensure conformity with ISO requirements. Step 6, management review. Top management evaluates the effectiveness of the service management system. Step 7, certification audit. An accredited certification body evaluates the organization's compliance. Successful organizations receive ISO/IEC 20000 Part 1 certification. Now, training programs offered by URGS International. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited offers comprehensive training programs including ISO/IEC 20000 Part 1 awareness training, implementation training, internal audit training, lead audit training, customized corporate training, documentation support, internal audit support, certification readiness programs. Training combines theory, practical examples, case studies, and interactive discussions. Now, why choose URGS International? URGS International provides complete end-to-end support. Our services include gap assessment, consultancy, documentation support, implementation guidance, employee awareness programs, internal auditor training, lead auditor training, internal audit, certification assistance, control improvement support. Our experienced consultants help organizations achieve compliance efficiently while improving overall service performance. Who should attend? This course is ideal for IT managers, service delivery managers, project managers, quality managers, information technology professionals, cloud service providers, software companies, consultants, internal auditors, management representatives, business owners. Whether your organization is implementing ISO/IEC 20000 Part 1 for the first time or preparing for certification, this training provides valuable practical knowledge. At last, summary, closing and call to action. Thank you for watching. If you want to improve IT service quality, strengthen customer confidence, optimize service delivery, and achieve international recognition, ISO/IEC 20000 Part 1 2018 is the right choice. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is a trusted partner for consultancy, implementation, training, internal audits, and certification support. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on ISO standards, auditing, compliance, certification, and professional development. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, your partner in excellence, compliance, and control improvement.